Vigor Run Tech is a premier Chinese manufacturer specializing in the design, development, and production of remote control lawn mower trimmer. Our products are widely used for lawn mowing, weed cutting, and bush trimming, and are suitable for slopes, steep inclines, wastelands, roadsides, orchards, gardens, wildfire prevention, ditch bank, and more. Our flagship product, the VTLM 800 Remote Control Tracked Weed Trimmer, has earned a stellar reputation among customers. Known for its top quality, it stands out as one of the most reliable and popular lawn mowers from China. We use only premium components, including engines that meet Euro 5 or EPA emission standards, intelligent servo motor controllers, high-voltage servo motors for continuous long-term operation, high-torque worm gear reducers for tackling steep slopes, and a 56-volt, 4,000-watt generator that ensures charging while working.